That was scary.
Yeah, my boss.
But me here see a whole lot of people them work from when.
Because the material them not come in the right time, boss, and them scarce to go in hardware, you know. So after them come in one, boss, me have to look, you see, boss, so me have to make them one, so the material come in.
All right, me ask you a question. How long you work for me?
A long time, my boss. Years.
Biggs, I saw you go for you.
Yeah, man, sometimes material them come in slow for you, boys, because you know, say don't have hardware. Sometimes the harder things, the man, they not come in, you see me?
All right. You are going scary. Let's see if we can make your material and come in faster. You get out to work then.
All right, my boss.
All right, another thing on the agenda. Dancer them a complain say you are trying to negotiate them price, you know. How much you dancer them work for around here?
Then so them work for $5 grand, no boss, but because I don't see no value upon them, that's why me tell them say they value $15, you know.
All right. You are going, you know. Price gone for something, you know. No $1,500 not there again. So if you can't manage the $5,000, you'll leave it dancer them alone. All right, my boss?
All right, my boss.
All right.
Okay, sir.
All right, so me work on the material and I make you get them.
All right, sir. When you work on them, get them, sir.
No, head, man.
Big G make you know. I say me slow up your job.
No, man.
Okay, boss.
Big G make you know what I'm going.
All right.
But we're going there still, you know. All right?
Yes, boss.
All right.
All right, boss.
Yeah, man.
Think me no know so no want kill me. Think me no know, but me nah me couldn't kill me. You think me no know? Me not even a name nothing from who no want kill me. Think me no know so no want kill me. You think me no know? See that you no want do? Nah, me couldn't kill me. Me a come, man, me a come. But me nah make them kill me.
Susie.
Yeah?
Aaron.
Yeah.
8:30?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
You sure say alright?
Yeah.
So what you did in here at all?
Nothing.
What you
Nobody.
did in here at all?
Nobody.
Are your phone you did that man? You did that on your phone?
No, just did that play.
Yeah. Play it in that day.
Yeah.
You sure say alright?
Yes.
Alright then.
Yeah.
So, Biggs. What time you dancing? I'm coming.
You know, so probably then so reach, you know. Yeah, man.
So now them not come.
Yeah, man, little old foot on the one, but you can't too show nobody the foot there, you see me?
Oh, Cindy?
I don't really know the one the name is. Look like a new old foot.
Alright, so you are going Biggs. We now go to one old man there and she have to go retire, you know. Because if you know who to let it go.
Yo, warlord. What on?
The money you can't come give me, mommy.
Why, warlord, to tell you the truth. And a station with different, you know, I'm not the outer road, you know. So I don't make nothing.
Rome, you know, say I be excuse you give me from what do you do? Business me around, you know, what you think me I do?
No, man, but I throw the box, I get, you know, say I throw the box faulty, man, and I think the box did that work and it error so much money, man, never, isn't it?
Rome, listen. You come on my club, you gamble, and you rack up a big bill, you know. And I need my money. But through your police, you know. If you remember my name, you know.
Yo, no disrespect, Warlord. But me make I get back your money, man. Just give me some time. You understand? Hopefully me can go back on the streets again, but I just want a little complaint, then file against me and then take me off the street and give me a little bench.
Alright, you are now, Rome. See, next time me have a conversation, just ensure you have some sense of what to tell me.
Alright.
Sane?
Alright. If me make nothing to them, I make a...
So hold on. You come here, so where you really coming from? You just come here, so where you coming from?
Well, you know, so if I tell you the truth, I true man left me, you know. So I say I come circle the club, I say I can't get nothing from early. I said, nah, nothing in there.
Rome, really and truly, I don't really want to get on my girl, you know. But me have a whole foot around there, can take him out from my hand.
Whole foot.
Yeah.
I know Sydney attack.
Yeah, Cindy.
No, sir, we can't manage Sydney, man. I mean, know Sydney from Sydney and Pitney, man. Sydney.
Alright, just blow out, you know. Just sort out my money and carry my thing come, you know.
Alright. Alright, good. You know, so they kind of have a club on an investigation to me. They come with tell her that, you know, because they must say he license so up and things.
Don't worry about that. We have that covered. Just do what you have to do and come back.
Alright.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Gigi?
Hey,
Girl, you know from when me and call you know say I only friend when me have when me can talk to about certain things. Right now, Susie, me no know what happened to her. Every minute me hear she in a one little corner in the room, they talk and I laugh with herself. One of the time me feel say some friend come over here. When me go there go ask her couple questions, not so too long. She tell me say she need to talk to nobody. And on her phone she did upon a play she a play. With who? Nobody know in her room and she tell me about a play she a play. Me not understand. You know so me go have to go and check your door. All right, you know.
what you mean say you hear she a talk in her room and she a play?
Me hear she a talks. Me hear
With herself?
with her, most with herself. And when she tell me say me I tell you, you know, she say a play she a play. And nobody never in her room. All along me the out there so in her living room I clean up the place. Me hear she a talk. But me no know. Me think as somebody and she in there.
So how long that's going on?
A good look while now, me know, but me never dey take notice of it. Cause you know, true she have one phone for a long time. Me always think say she and somebody in the room or she dey on her phone. But I want mind, me a suspect her, so I want mind tell me say, just go at the door and listen. Knock and don't wait till she say come in. Me just pull it. And when me look in there, me not see nobody. And then me start questioning her and that she has said to me.
Girl, you know what happened? Come and check me.
How I use up me something then? They come here come ask me about if me alright.
Wait, it's freaking jungle. I don't think they're rolling. No, sir. Wait.
No, why you use me something then, you know.
Yeah, did I say me fi come check you, but me did done plan to come check you already, you know, because you know you're the only friend me have and you're the only person me can talk about certain things. Because I don't really want the neighbor them know about my daughter, you know, because I don't know if somebody do her something.
Where you going come on, but I really hold for long talking on the phone. Because
Me can't take this.
like when you talk, both times you don't talk me here, so.
She lock up in her room. She not hear me there out in her living room. But me don't come around there now, you hear?
All right.
All right, cool.
All right, come.
Yeah.
Oh, go on, Marlene. What's up? Yeah, all right. What's going on? You know, all right.
No. Remember me called up on the phone and tell us I need to phone check you right now because I can't take it no more. Right now I'm stressed out. Did I tell up on the phone? You need to hear me. I tell us my daughter Susie. They move one kind of way from the other day like her head no good. I don't know what happened. Did I tell up on the phone? But you can't like it going to that break up.
No, man, me hear what you're saying. You said she attacked to herself and you catch her attack to herself and then something. So hold on, when you talk to her, what she say?
She said, I played myself. No, I never talk to nobody. Everything me say, she said no. I never did on the phone. Me don't understand, Gigi.
So she attacked to herself, literally talking to herself?
Till me I believe say somebody in her room with her. And that the way there, she sound when me hear her. When me pull the door and go, and she one in there. She not talk on her phone and me not see nobody in there. Who she attack? No must herself.
Then, if she attacked to herself, Marlene, something wrong with her. And it might sound like me have to talk something you know want to hear, but me have to tell you the truth because you're my friend. You understand? So you need to bring her a doctor to check her out. Because you know, see what happened right now in a fully for country Jamaica. People in here not take mental illness serious, you know. Them take it for joke.
Counting down the days till I'm warm again. Only cold until you say I'll be warm again. Yeah, I'll be warm again.
Susie.
We are frightening me suffer. Hey,
What go on?
we are frightening me suffer.
Come out to the road, man. Come out to the road. So what go on? Everything alright? How much far to go?
Nah, go no way.
Everything alright with mommy?
Gigi.
Me no want to tell her say she a mad. Because sometimes people don't like hear the truth and they don't like hear the word. But you see, before you reach that stage, fishy to start walk up and down on the road, you need to take it up in her hand from early. Or she start with some stupid things, you need to take it up in her hand from early. It's either you go seek some herbal something for her, or the best place if you bring her go doctor. That I first. Bring her go doctor, because me could have tell you about herbal business and you don't believe, because enough people don't believe in herbal things. But me I tell you the right thing to do. Take her to the doctor. You question her. She have boyfriend?
No, the boyfriend part, me never asked her, but I don't know. My mind did kind of tell me something, as you said to it, you know, want to tell me certain things, me go feel away. Me never want to mention certain things to her, feel, you know, then...
So what could I cause her for you to talk to herself?
I don't know, because, you know, normally, sometimes people chat to themselves, so I never take it for nothing. A good while now.
Something trigger her off.
I don't know what happened.
You pressure her?
Me? No, not me. Me not pressure her. I know me. The pressuring part is not me. Anything when she want to give it to her.
She leave school, not true?
Yes.
She leave school, though?
She not go to school again, man.
Random guy.
So you can't say nobody a bully her?
Mm-hmm. I don't know what happened. I don't know. That's why I don't want to go tell the whole neighborhood. Me and a friend.
Maybe she depressed.
I don't know what happened.
So she just stay home all day?
In the room, lock up.
A depression, man. You don't think so? How me look?
Yeah, I don't know. You just kind of look off like you're not alright.
What do you mean half like me not alright?
Well, me don't know how to describe it. Like you look, like, you know, so 100.
What you say?
Alright, me not try to be disrespectful. You sure say good?
Style me. What do you mean by me not look so 100? You know, so if other day everybody want to come go on like I said, they want to style me.
No, no disrespect. It's just that you look kind of like... You sure say good?
Hey, stop asking me if me sure say me good. How what you want to do? What you try to say? You think me don't know sounding not like me?
Who said they don't like it?
And you talk about how me mad.
Nobody
No,
knows.
you can't tell me about me look half. Everybody not like me. Everybody has say me mad.
Me never say I'm mad, you know.
So what you try? So what you mean by me look half? When somebody look half, that means so they gone off, they mad.
Me see how I walk with stick. Girl, me never see you just like this ever.
Hey, you know what? Left me alone. She have friends. Eh?
Are the friend them when she used to have, you know, when the bill say, she have in her room with her. When me pull the door, nobody know me. And she not there on the phone, and that me they tell you.
So she there home all day, all night, and she not doing anything. You know, must expect that she will fall in a depression. She depressed.
But I not like say, me have her locked down, they punish her, say, stay in her room down for months, so she have depression. Who she think about?
What me fi know?
Me not.
Me would have asked you the same question, and that me there ask you. Me I ask you the same question, and you ask me the same question.
Because me not know, so maybe you have a better idea, thing fit in. Me not know.
So you try to talk to her? Marlene, try to talk to her. Answer me now.
Me walk her, she alright, or she eat, and then something she did. She will say yes, and sometimes she say no. Me not know if she do again.
So you not try to talk to her, don't want to talk to her?
I know the worst thing, I guess I fit her to a doctor. But me not have no money. The lady where you know me always go watch her clothes. She say fear check now come down till way in the next month.
So she not pay you?
She don't have no money. She don't have no money. No, that's straight now. God. You can't tell me people got doctor and have no money. Me not go care about.
So you have food in your house?
Oh, yes, me always.
You have food in your house?
We have food in it, you know.
She not hungry?
No. No hungry.
Boy, me have some money when me could have lend you to bring her go doctor, you know, because me have a friend and we have come from too far. And they say, one hand can't really clap, and me have a friend. So me not even go lend you money, me I'll get it and you bring her go doctor.
God bless you, Gigi. I walk. I sweat right now. I walk. No one come around here, you know. You see, for the time, me tell you something come. You see, me just reach. Me tell you something, me not go to the call. I must say, God send you out here, make you come and see me on the veranda. And not even knock me.
I serve me I go. Me go look out some business, me I go serve. Some me I go feel money and carry come here.
Yes, you don't want back in money.
No, me not want it back. Me have get it.
Thanks, sir. Some can bring her a doctor.
Bring her a doctor. As me no like to see she eat out a garbage pan road. Therefore. I see me pan the road and I talk about watch the mad girl, They think me no know something like me and I sit down and I talk about me mad, but me look off.
I just check up on you to see if you're alright, because I first never see you just like this.
Here, there. What to me dress? You say me dress nice. What you mean? You know what? Leave me alone here, man, because I hold on, I can't talk about me mad. And go fire about me mad.
Only if you're mad.
Marlene, you know what Sky see me I give her money here, because she chat her mouth no fear. She go use up her mouth and go tell her father. That's everything you little girl tell her people. Me no able to she. Come. Oh, she see her come.
Thank you very much.
You know what, you see little girl chat. Can use him out.
We have nobody else to depend on. Only you as a friend. You come like a family to me.
Not coming like
First friend me ever in my life. Come like me a blood family.
we are blood family. We are blood.
Thank you very much.
Blood not make you good family.
Me go make sure and you carry a doctor with that money and road.
Bring her a doctor, make sure. Make sure, you know.
Good evening, Miss Candy.
Good evening.
I don't know if you remember me. My name Jeremy. Everything alright?
Yeah.
Who's Susie?
She not so good enough.
Yes.
Yeah, she not so good, man.
Well, if you tell her the truth, you know, I just want to go see her, you know.
Eh? What you mean you see her?
Yeah, man, like, we did up on the back road a walk and I see her.
You sure say my daughter used to because me left her at the house?
Well,
She not supposed to go up on the road without my consent.
she have a twin?
No, she not no twin. She not no twin. Where you see her?
See her up a dump.
Jesus.
Yeah, walk and I see her and she never look so good enough to tell her the truth, you know. She never look right. She look like she a mad out. I don't say her daughter, I'm disrespectful, but she look like she a mad out because the way how she dress.
Me go have to go right now. Me have to go look for her right. Guess what? Anyway, yeah, I me style for me.
Let me keep an eye on your stuff.
Give her eye on me style for me. Please, me a bigger. Go on, sit down right there, so. Just watch it for me. Don't make nobody piece nothing after. And you no trouble nothing neither. All right, later.
Hello?
Officer.
Good evening.
Good evening. Come to file one missing report.
Missing report.
Yes.
Hold on, just calm down for me, alright? What do you mean a missing report? Who is missing?
My daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes.
What is your daughter name?
Suzie Guthrie.
Susie Guthrie?
Yes.
Susie Guthrie. How your daughter look, ma'am?
She slim. She tall and she have slim body. Her body is slim. She's slim. And she have in braid, her hair braid, and she catch up in a one or up around.
How old is the daughter?
21.
21. So first time she do something like this?
First time my daughter ever misses her. First time. Me leave her at the house and me no know, me no see her. Me no know what she did.
You sure she not like she have a boyfriend and she got...
She not a boyfriend. No, not at this moment.
Me mind on everything you pick and tell her, you know.
Officer, please me I beg you. And a boyfriend me come fit talk about. She used to have a boyfriend, but she not have none now. And my daughter missing, and me just want you to help me find her. Please me I beg you.
Mom, I understand the frustration, but the thing is, it don't reach 24 hours yet, and we can't really take no report on a missing person in a reach 24 hours yet.
So wait, the officer, you have to wait 24 hours before you can?
That's the law. And we can't really go beyond the law, because normally sometimes some people just go and have some things that they know. Maybe our battery dead or something.
Officer, please me I beg you. I don't know if I can wait 24 hours because this never happened before. And she has stressed me out. She kind of act funny. If you tell her the truth, I don't like how she act. From morning, she act one kind of way. And then somebody call me and tell me, say, then see her on the road and she not act right. She not look like she 100. Please, me and beg you, help me look for her, please.
All right, Mom, here we go. I'm going to take a report. I'm going to lodge it in the book. All right? As soon as one of the vehicle come in, I say we can take a travel and look around the place and see if we see her. All right?
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself, no, man. We're here to serve and protect you, you know. Understand? And thank you for coming and making a report. You have any picture you can show me?
Yes. I see that.
She don't look like nothing to her.
I'm not so she look now. She look different now. She don't look so now.
All right. As I say, we are going to see if we can do the best we can to assist you, all right? And as soon as the vehicle come in, we come do a little search in the area and see if we see her. But if anything...
You know what my number, or give me a number. That's because me just need to know so now go look for my daughter. Because sometimes when you call station go report things, then instead them I go do it and then it's not like they not do it, but they know do it on time and that's stressful.
All right, ma'am, calm down. Just write down a number right here so for me. And then we can take it from there, all right? All right, so thank you.
All right.
If anything, we'll call you, all right?
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Well, how you wanna walk on the road? You're not afraid somebody take you away? Yeah? My name is... Look, I'm a police, you know, so now I'm a bit scared.
What you want?
We just a pass and I would like to give a helping hand.
Eh?
Just a pass and would like to give you a helping hand.
I'm all right. I don't need any help from you.
You sure?
Yes.
But I mean, can probably Carol get you something to eat?
No.
Come on, man. I'm a good person. You can't trust me.
Where money there?
The thing is, I don't have cash for me, I don't have my card. But I have cash at home. So
If me come, you'll give me it.
We can't get money, man.
Sure.
Any amount of money, I want.
Want enough money.
Enough money?
Enough money.
Marlene, what's going on?
Thank God you come. Are you made that come check in on?
Hold on, I'm gonna come out because we want to carry go up to your wash. You're in fall on the place muddy. Uh-uh.
It's a sad story.
Somebody dead. Somebody dead.
Somebody call me and tell me say they see my daughter around a dump. And when I go around there, I want me walk, you know. Jiggy, you know, say I want me walk.
You look tired for true.
God know all rain did a fall. Me no see my daughter. Me no know where she dey.
You're wet. You're wet up in the rain.
Yes. Me no
Dump.
see her, yes. Me no see her.
Dump up, sir.
Yes. One dump. But that same dump the way you know.
So what she had so far?
Me no know. And me go around there, me no see her. Me no know where she dey. My daughter gone. Me no know where she dey.
All right, don't worry yourself. I am here to serve and protect you. You never get your name, though. What's your name? All right, you don't have to tell me now, but what about your mother? You don't have any mother?
No.
You don't know?
No.
All right, so come on, make care, go get us something to eat and take you off the road. Awesome. Probably I'll want a nice little shower on this. You're good, man. Just put your foot. Watch your finger there, so. All right, so you're good? All right, so you're good? And just lean back a little bit. Lean back. Just lean back.
Hold on. As when you come to me just now and go back around, is she missing? You not see her in the house?
Me no see her. Me no know when she gone. Me no see her. Me I'll go down a police station. Every minute me go down there.
So where police them
The
say?
whole day me I go down there. And every police when me book up and I see him foolishness them and tell me.
What they tell you, sir?
If you wait 24 hours.
No, girl, them the law that change in Jamaica. Them the law that not change. If my memory serve me right, them law that change in Jamaica. Marlene. Marlene. Don't worry yourself. Me I'll help you search for her.
You see money where you give me? She carry go a doctor.
No tell me say you use it. You use it?
Me no use it. Me not ever get for carry go a doctor because she gone. Me still have the money. She gone.
Listen to me now. Listen. Listen to me. Stop shake up yourself and go on. So just focus, Mal.
Yeah, listen.
Marlene, focus. Focus and listen to me. Listen to me now. Listen. You're going to get some flyers print. You don't have picture with her in your phone. We're going to print up some flyers. And I'm going to walk with you and we're going to post them up all over the place. You're going to take matters into our hands. You hear me? See how the rain come back down. You're coming out here? You're coming out here. The rain come back down. We are coming out here. Come in that car, Marlene. Marlene, come in that car. No, go on in that car. Go on in that car, girl. Go inside that car. Go on inside that car. Because it seems like say you out for lose reason right now. No bother with the foolishness right now, girl. See Rena come back now. Let me police you foolishness, them I tell you. Because if my memory serve me right, it'll change. It'll change. It'll change in Jamaica. On a 24-hour again. Right away as a person missing. That's why so much people are going missing and not fine. What could I ever really go so? Asleep, no drop asleep for me, no. Don't drop asleep. Rain or fall. Don't drop asleep, girl. It is what it is. We can't sit down and just lay back, so we have to do something. We have to take up matters in our hand. Eh?
Don't drop asleep. Yes, I wonder which part my daughter live.
Girl.
I'm gonna write this one. Say, alright. I can't make yourself at home, you know. Can I sit down right yourself? Come on, nothing on there, man. Sit down right yourself. You bathe already? So until later, I can wash up. So I roll on. No man, you know, forget me from me say, you know. The bathroom there to say you can go wash off or something. You understand? Just spend some time in there. The left one have the hot water so you can burn off all of them dead flesh that you have on your body. You understand? Come on, baby. I don't know if you have no clothes in but put on them. Man. You say be it good?
Yeah.
And you wash between the grind side?
Yes.
Alright. Alright. Put on your clothes and come. I don't know if you're hungry, you know, but.
Thank you.
So, you alright? Eat up, man. Get the energy. You don't look too bad, you know. So what's your story, though? What's your story?
Story.
Alright, eat up, man. Oh, you never like them type of touching, eh? Eh? One pinch in your side. Alright, yeah, we'll just eat and full of belly here. And then we'll just pass the baby aisle over there, so. This look good for you, though. Yo, Warlord.
Yo, I'll go and roll me. I have my money.
Yeah, man. No.
You have all of my money?
No. To be honest, I don't have the money, you know. But I have someone who can make you a lot of money.
Yeah, roll me. Yeah, play the thing, you know, bro.
No, Warlord, just listen to me now, my boss. I tell you, man. I tell you.
So, all right, so where you have me?
I know you run off a club and you run off a place and me have a girl where You understand? She can add to your collection. So whatever money she make, that I payment. You understand?
So hold on, you can carry come tonight. Right, no, night, sir.
Boy. Me can't bring her tonight, but me can bring her tomorrow night. No, warlord, man. Me not stall, man. But, you me have to do some work on her and bring her to here just and something. Remember, say a hot club in my boss.
Me have to dip on the go and what the song work.
All right.
I'm carry come tomorrow.
All right, then, my boss. No problem. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, and if you can carry even half my money or piece, I'd carry tomorrow too.
Me have to say if I can make nothing on the road, so if I get nothing on the road, see me, but you understand, but go and work with her until it come true, man.
All right. Do it.
All right. Yo, warlord. You. Yeah, man, I see this is on my bar.
So yes, you can dance.
You can dance, don't it? Supposed to can dance, man.
But
She don't look too bad either, you know.
she want to go fix up though.
Fix up.
Yeah. All right, like what you there, and she go on dance and thing, and
All right.
we figure it out.
We have clothes can get her, like, finish the dance, you know? Or she have to borrow one from her girl, you know?
All right, we'll probably get one little swimwear or something from one of that girl, them. But she go through that door there and thing.
So, come on. Here, one, just look for your best behavior here. There's nobody give other girl you know talking on me and something. The more you can be quiet, the better for you. Just do your thing. Dance and do your thing. Nobody think about nobody over there, sir. You understand? Any you know, drop no catch. Alright? Yo, warlord. Just one, whatever money she make, as we say, just one. You understand? Take it out. I pay it.
Boss say bed not have no sheet, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Soon take care of that.
Alright, just them soak sheet come on and man. Just go and make yourself comfortable. Yo, look up you know. I don't know. I'm in a station, me then. But they now put me on road for now. Look up more.
Hello, sir. 1 minute. Yes. Hello, sir. 1 minute.
Oh, go on.
My daughter missing. I may ask her if you see that face here, you can just call the police station for me, please.
That girl that missing your daughter, you say?
I'm my daughter. She missing from when and I can't find her.
Alright, no worry, man. Maybe just keep this, and if I see her, I will call the number here.
So you're gonna see her no at all?
No, at first I see her. Yeah, man, no worry yourself. I'm sorry about that, alright, mommy?
Please, me, I beg you. You see, anyway you see her, just call the number here at the police station and inform them say you see her and tell them where you see her. Please, me, I beg you, because me got my one daughter and me can't find her.
Alright, no worry, man. Everything good, alright, mommy? Yeah, man, sorry about that. No.
You have reached the voicemail.
Yo, Romy. Where you there?
I know what's the on the station I work, man.
Yo, you need to come on our club and link me right now, brother. You need to come on our club right now and link me.
I want to tell you now, Warlord. I want to go on.
Yo, brother, just come on our club. You're urgent, man. Just come on our club and link me.
Hold on, I don't know station and all, you know, man. So that's
Yo, listen, I tell us, man. Anyway, if you get drive from, just get a driver and come link me my yacht.
all right, boss.
All right.
Hello.
Yeah?
You ever see that girl here before?
Yeah, I didn't see me over QQ bar.
You see her over QQ?
Yes.
What kind of clothes you see her in?
You know
Shorts, pants, skirt?
Yes.
What?
Skirt.
Skirt?
Yes.
So you see her somebody over there?
You see me do a whole heap of girl and some man over there.
Yes.
Yes.
How long that? About
3 days ago.
3 days ago?
Yeah.
All right, thanks. See her?
Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
You see, so you see, in case I see her again,
Alright.
you can't, let me tell her. Call a number here at the police station.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, where you going on?
Yo, the pants.
What would you say?
Yo, Romy, stop going like you're an idiot now. That girl, you can't come here.
But this not nothing like her, bro. What do you mean?
You owe me my money, you know. Until someone want my money and you carry a girl come say, yo, you want to try to squeeze out something. If a girl come and come dance, it's free.
So,
And a problem you want to try to put me in a...
So, bro, you don't make some money off her already? Eh? Look how long she done here. Brother, I don't know nothing about this, you know, man. And plus, a big woman that run this, you know.
Romy, I one thing I tell you, you know. Not true you have on the government clothes, you know. That means you're invincible, you know.
Voila, just easy yourself, man. Now I'm here. You may tell us, man. Just dash her that, bro. No matter, just dash her that. A big girl.
Yo,
Reach the age already, bro.
Romy, all me I tell you, just fix this. Just fix this, man.
Don't worry about that, brother. Regular people go missing and no fine, bro. Don't worry about that.
A regular people go missing and find down at my place now. A problem you want to get on, you want me lock my business locked down.
Bro, you done with her? Because we can dispose her differently, you know? Nothing now come out of it.
Romy, the girl now bringing the money, you know. She not even know if to dance on stage, bro. I hear one do. No man now to look for her. So right now, me I lose.
Brother, we can deal with that, man.
Yo, hey, Wallace, just fix this. Fix this, man.
Yo, here am I, son. Don't worry about this. Let me deal with this. Here? And if anything, I want to dispose her. We have many...
Well, just do what you have to do, just to mix me up in another party.
You sound like afraid or so. Eh?
Yo, just do what you have to do. We don't talk. Just do what you have to do.
Yo, about how long now, how much money she make already? If you keep
Romy, I test my patience, you know.
Then, and the money, me I try to pay back in our lad. Me not have no money, you know, man.
Well, she don't make no money yet. Go and go fix things. She don't make no money yet. That me I try to make you know. So no money no pay back yet.
All right, me talk to her.
Reach it. She don't have back.
Well, just easy yourself, man. I'm telling you, man. No worry about them. I say, man. I Jamaica this, you know, man. I want to say we are the law, you know, man.
Good day, officer.
Good day. How can I help?
Me come down here already come make one report about me missing daughter. And the police tell me say 24 hours me have to wait. And 24 hours gone long time. About more than 3-4 days now. And me not see my daughter all now. And the police, me give him my number and he not even get in touch with me. So me come to find out if they find my daughter or if somebody left go look for her and they don't see her work. And nobody not get in touch with me.
What is the daughter name?
Susie Guthrie, sir.
Which day you made the report?
I think if I not last week Tuesday or maybe Monday, but at the same day where she missing, me come down here. They have it written in a book in this, sir, so you can look in it.
No man, I have the book right here that will log everything. But I'm not seeing any report.
Susie Guthrie. Susie.
You sure?
Yes, sir. Susie. She named Susie Guthrie.
No, we don't have any report for any missing person.
Officer,
that day.
see my daughter here. Because me say police them not take up in hand, so me go do that myself and stick up around the place see anybody see her and so they can make a call to the police station and make them know so them see her.
Okay, this is good. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take a report from you so we can act on this immediately. Understand?
Because see it again?
No man, this is priority right now because she's been missing a couple of days, so we have to really act on it right now. So Susie Guthrie, all right? We have a missing paper.
You're inspector, sir?
No, I'm just a constable.
Because me talk to one police and the same thing we had.
No man, this is good. This is
the same thing we had tell me that the police they tell me no, me she can't find my daughter.
No man, we're going to find her. So where was the last place that you saw her?
No. Officer. I'm in yard, me leave her and she left from me yard and gone.
And that's the last time. Morning, officer. That's the last time you spoke with her? Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
You see policeman when just gone in there, sir? And him me did see the day when me come down here.
Oh, detective?
Yes, and he tell me say I go search me that and he will get in touch with me and no.
A minute there, please. So this lady said that she made a missing report and she spoke with you. You aware of that?
Oh, then they come to me and I'm tell us say we can't take a report now because I'm not 24 hours.
So that would have make sense now. That's why we don't have it, because 24 hours never pass. So you understand? So we have the time of a pass before you can log it in the book, you know. So that is it. Sorry about that, man. You should have come back.
The police are lied. Me tell you.
No, man.
You write in the book, you take me number. Officer like police.
No, man, you must make a note or something, man.
The police in write it down and in you
No. We can't accuse the officer of any wrongdoing now.
Just call it this time.
You understand? But we're going to act on it now, man. We have it done.
If my daughter dead, I don't know if she alive. I don't know nothing.
No, man, I believe everything is alright, man. She probably just run off a little bit or something.
Fix me now, your bang around lady.
Detective, we're going to help her out as best as we can. You understand? See, she have a picture already. So
I can give
we can work with it. Yeah, man. No problem.
Number, man, me number.
Okay. Yeah, what is your number? Can put it in my phone.
Okay.
Don't worry yourself. We're going to do a proper investigation and follow up on the matter.
Sit here.
And all right. So now that I have your number, no problem.
You sure say no money at the girl there?
Detective, man. On to you, man. Yes.
Officer, yes. Me know why you're not from the police here, because
no, man. It's a very no.
Say 24 hours and how long now?
No, man. He's going to deal with it. Don't worry yourself. Detective, thank you very much. We're going to act on it. All right? We'll keep in touch.
Please, me I beg you, help me find my daughter, sir.
No problem.
I don't feel like you can waste police time. Don't feel like
officer, you can't do that, officer. What do you want?
Me don't put in my daughter.
I want no bother with that, man. Come on.
I'm telling you this.
We're going to deal with it, all right?
One day going to waste police time.
Boy, not true.
Up to the woman, man.
Yeah, man, I can't deal with the people, I'm saying.
Brother, the lady I come try for disrespect me now. I know nothing about the warring daughter.
No, don't say that, man. I'm to you, man. No matter if I feed them life, you know. Remember, say I feed them life, you know, but I work, we are do.
But who to tell her how money the girl gone, bro?
Boy, that could be the case, because first, she got me saying, you know.
Yo, hear me, I tell her something, man. I don't want nobody come feel like you can come disrespect me, you know.
No, man, but we have to keep it professional, you understand? I remember, so we don't have no problem with soup, you know. And we've done that problem already. So we have to make sure say everything good, man.
So, what will you do about this now?
Wanna see that young lady about the place? Big man, I will in charge of the place, yeah.
Well, go on. Me in charge, you know.
You're in charge?
Yeah, but if I dance, you come to see. Dance and then out right now, you know. If I come back later.
Yeah. Place look good, man.
Yeah, man, but as I say, dance and then updates an officer, so if I come back later, you see me?
You know, so I come for check on a little thing. Because me here say somebody around here. We're missing.
None of that, officer. Yeah, adult there, so, you know, man. People are there, you know.
Yeah, adult go missing too. What you talk about?
Well, I don't hold nobody by a hostage on there, you know. Everybody there, and they're free one will. You see me? Yeah. But you look around, you have a warrant?
Nah, search. We just a look.
Alright. They can't search without a warrant still.
We say they dance to them because...
Dance to them asleep, officer.
How much of them there are now?
Bossy, you want two girls? You want a girl?
Yeah, I want a girl. I want a girl. I come boy.
If you have the right price, you can get a girl, but right now them asleep. Can't wait them when tired.
Boy. You know something no want no trouble though. It's a nice place and would not want to lock it down, you know.
No, we have all the...
You understand?
We have all the license them in them boss. You understand? We have a club license, we have a spirit license, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, license for abduction too.
Officer, I don't know what kind of rumor you spread or what kind of allegation you had.
No, man, I know if your facts say she there around here. We get good intel say she there around here, you know. Suzie got tricked. You understand?
You don't know nobody by that name. But come back later when the dancer they up and about, then they can see so we don't know nobody way. Not supposed to die.
Alright, bossy.
Bossy, toilet now flush, you know.
I want that girl is.
Yeah, man, I want to dance.
Young lady, have a word with you.
How are you, sir?
You need to have a word with you, young lady. Come here.
Bossy.
Yeah, man.
Where you come from?
Where you mean by where we come from?
Where your name?
Susie.
Suzie got tricked.
Yes. Bossy, what one?
What me just asked you for a while ago?
She good, man. She good. She don't listen. She die. What was that? What was she doing right now?
You know what's your missing though? How much?
Sir, me stand up right as so me no missing, right as so me there.
How much?
Me a big woman.
Big woman like what? How much?
Big woman me in my 20s. Bossy, what go on here, so?
I don't know what I'm going on. What I'm going on for some?
You reported missing by your mother, you know?
No, me no miss. My mother just not like me.
You give her something? She depend on drugs, huh?
Officer, me not judge. Me not drugs. None of me dance at them. Every bad day by their own free will.
You take nothing from there?
What you mean?
Food, weed, Mali, me don't know.
No.
You alright?
Yeah.
That's my finger. Follow my finger, man. If you follow my finger, see that? Go on. 1.
Officer, you're traumatized the dance, I know.
Don't tell me off no more. 1. You can't talk?
Yeah.
1.
1.
2.
2.
We need to go back to the station, you know, because we need to get in contact with her mother. And make her know if I'm fine. Right? But you know, no problem, you know. Because it's a big woman, obviously. Right? But our mother needs to know about her current circumstance. But obviously, something not right, yes, sir. Look how she look for me. You saw me, I said? She look for you too.
Everything good, officer, man. Everything good. No worry about that. She good. Head.
So that what one right I say. Understand, cause something not right. You can't go back around Susie.
Sure no, star.
Bossy, remember say toilet now flush.
Alright, where is it, man? Let's go fence right now.
Hello?
Yo, Romy.
Oh.
Yo, where there?
I'll leave me at work, you know.
Yo, you need to come down here right now. Come get with that girl, no brother. Our police just left front of you, no man.
What?
Our police just left front of you.
What are they? Where is it?
Me say our police just left front of you. The investigation say girl missing, brother. You need to come get with that girl out of my place.
Oh, somebody come down the same place.
Yo, stop going like that. Yo, no me cuss bad word, man.
Brother, I hear what you say, man. What you say?
But say the girl where you care come down here, same one the way look when I look so right in. You need to come here right now. Police just come down here the investigation, so she missing, brother. I mean tell her that from beginning, say the piece of paper we have.
Alright.
What she missing, brother.
One lad. Hold on now. Calm down now, one lad. Hear me I say. Me have to deal with it, man.
No, I don't know, calm down situation, just come for the girl, brother. Come. Yo, come get her out of my place. Yo, come off my phone here. Yo, come off my phone here, man. Before me diss your dog. Just come for the girl right now, brother.
Alright.
I'm still going to want my money to, you know, come and make the money off her, you know.
One lad, man. You can't tell me that, man. On here, man. You hear what? Just show the girl there, man, and make police come kick it.
I'm here, man.
You're wrong. I come to get rid of that girl, bro. How is that? These are the things I'm warning you about, now, brother. So the girl there, and a problem you try to put me in there, you know. Bro, I want you squatty them just left from there, you know, and say them do investigation, say girl missing, you know.
I don't know about that. What do you mean he might get the investigation and say, girl missing?
Stop going like you don't know exactly what I go and say posters and everything they put up, say girl missing. And me draw your attention to that already, bro. And you tell me say everything good. And say police, say one of your squad get involved, you know.
Brother, I'm mine or something that, bro. A big woman in there think I could put in that round there, so. So where she there now? She run there?
She run there, brother. Yo, just take her and carry her go on, brother.
So she still not make no money?
Oh, she feel make money and I tell her from beginning say her ear want to, she want to fix up.
Yo, me chat to her now, man.
Yo, just sort out with the squad them and make them know say me not guilty of certain things, you know.
Brother, as I say, me chat to him, man. I will come at you. How you stay?
One tall one man and thing, brother. I not remember when you say name.
Brother, I'm a new rookie police that brother. That the man they don't know wait, bro. It's a case, man, look.
Yo. Just fix things, bro.
Yo, I'm chat to the answer there, man. Cause yo, brother, I pay off this other time, man. I think I want to stop coming your place, bro. I want to stop coming so, bro. Cause I have some more money spend. If I know they go, they might take out my money out of my pocket at the bar, bro. Or the box them. Hello. Come here, I'm here. You alright?
Yeah.
You eat already?
Yes. We eat one cup soup and 2 eggs.
1 cup soup and 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Alright, you are one. I care what get the year then so you know doesn't mean I want to make sure say you're up to par change your hairstyle and something. You understand? Get the some new clothes. And then you have to put in the work. So say me I tell you. Because we want the money, you know. You understand? You want to upgrade the thing. You understand? Remember say every $10 when I get in them, they're supposed to get $2 out of it. You understand? They're supposed to get $2 out of every $10 when I make. So come here and get the year done also. You understand, Susie? We'll sit and get on and roll on to us. Wait for me out there, say here. Yo, hold on. You know what I mean?
Yo, just be right thing, man.
Yo, nobody run up her blood pressure, bro. Me deal with this. Okay, I go deal with her. I'm set her good.
Yo, just do the right thing, Romy.
Alright. Alright, so you know, so I'll see if we get to eat. Watch out now, come. See if we get to hear them in that song something.
Yeah.
What kind of style I want to do?
Twist.
Twist?
Yeah.
Alright. Hello? They say ready now? Alright, you are going now. Boss, I tell me, say, you move shy, you know. You need to move shy here. Just whoop there and do what you do, man. Are you nervous? You don't need to be nervous, man. Just take a drink and take the edge off. Oh, drink. Oh, drink. Wait, man, no, man. Come, take a drink. Take a drink, man, and take the edge off. You don't want to go up there? When you take a drink, you know, man, you don't pay attention to nobody. Take a puff. Man, let's do the right thing, man. You understand? Come on, so we have to make money, you know. Because right now, I work from when? Yeah, man. Just go on, man, and go on, do your thing. I see where you go on. Yeah?
Oh my God. Marlin! Oh, I'm to you. Marlin! What go on? How you look so? I'm to you.
Right now, I'm stressed out.
Oh, what I'm to you? What stress you out? What go on? I don't you sit on the roadside, so that not come like a you. What happened?
My daughter miss her from when I know me can't find her. I don't know which part she there.
So you gonna report it?
Me report it long time at station.
You gonna report it and you don't hear nothing?
Them say them we take you up in a hand and go make sure so they find her in a 24 hour. One little liar policeman tell me how him a go make sure he say she alright and she come back at me yard. Him a go make sure personally say him personally if he say find her. And the policeman do nothing, end up go back down there 100 million times again.
All right. No worry yourself. Here what happened? We did it on vacation and I just come back. See that you're the first person I book up in. Now I take it up in a hand and do some investigation for you because
Me not like how you look on you know, your daughter missing and so forth. This serious, man.
So, officer,
Yeah.
how much police me fi report it to? How much time me fi go at station for the same something now? Now you are telling me the same thing like...
No. Listen to me. Me know you personally. Say you don't know, say, boy, me have to go do some little investigation for you. Don't worry about it, man. I promise you. Look for me. And anybody else. And me. Marlene. Me I go and investigate and help you. All right? Just forget about other police and whatever. Me will deal with it. I mean, I like how you look. I mean, know you. You can't just have a trust in me.
I'm a one daughter me have.
Me not say nothing, but me must say...
A long time she miss now, more than 1 week. And every police tell me know say me have friend long time, but how me go sure now say, you're not going to do the same thing like them.
Them are your friend.
You make it look like me neglect my daughter.
Them are your friend, but me are your friend. Look here, man. Just trust and believe in me, Marlene. Trust and believe. It don't look good you sit down, sir. So, don't worry yourself. I'm going to deal with it. Just get up. Because you come like, when you sit down, sir, baby, you're not even look righted. Just get up and go on, man. Me will deal with it, man. I get some news and come check you, man. Don't worry yourself.
You know, so I have no fear for going to walk. Me have to go walk. I can't give me $200.
Man, no star. You walk, come out here.
I walk up and down look for my daughter because the police them say they might take you up in hand and then nah do nothing. So I have to do it myself. But I can't fight her. Thanks.
Yo, Laro, what are you doing?
What go on, man?
There, man.
Long time I don't see you.
Boy, you know, say me need on a vacation, so I just forward still. A station me I come from, you know, but guess what happened? The time we find, you know, I know it's almost a restaurant today, because we love you for your belly. Come here. Come and talk to you. Come here, sir.
What go on?
Yeah, man. So, I forward still, because guess what? I don't know where I come from, because I want to look at thing me I follow upon. I want to look at case about one missing girl. You know? Yeah, man. So, are you and my boy there? What name? Your colleagues are there deal with it. But
Barnett?
Yeah, man, but no come and fight. You don't right there, so.
Oh!
Yeah, man. Missing girl.
Oh, yeah, that little girl there.
Say, nothing? You can't tell me nothing, you nothing? What happened?
To tell her the truth, our mother did come up a station and come make a report 2 times, you know, but I tell her mother say, I probably want money and she gone or something or
yeah, but
she gone about her business. No.
How you sure? How you sure say that? Tell her that.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah, so
big woman, so I don't feel like she alright, man. And
me feel say like you not do nothing. You not do nothing? You don't understand?
No, man. We look around the place for her. We do regular checkups. We do regular, man. We check which part they normally go. Runaways normally go. We not come up with nothing.
Listen to me. Our mother, I sit on the roadside, stressed out, you know. And she said she go up there and she not get no answer. And then she come at the station and say nothing to the lady or something, man, what happened?
You know what going on, man. Nobody no really give no information for nobody, you know. We've been asked questions, we've been do a little investigation and we not come up with nothing.
So she at least report to the lady and you know back on the street, next thing you know, she walk around mad. What happened? I know how we work, man.
I don't know actually we have other things to deal with, you know. We must have to deal with gunman and thief, you know. So a little runaways, that's a last priority. You understand? We have to protect it.
No, listen to me. Let me tell you something. I promise the woman say me I go help her and I go help her. To me it's so like saying not even interested. What happened with this girl I know? You know, so like you're not interested. What happened?
No man, I don't say we're not interested. But me must say, you know, I'm busy, because right now, you know where me I come from? The Prime Minister there up at St. Elizabeth and up there with the day.
That's why you dress up.
Yo, listen to me, man. I don't want a girl that fear worry up herself and kill up herself, but you just come off a vacation, you know. Enjoy it, man.
With vacation done, I'm come back to work now, boss, man. I'm have to go help out the mother. We need all the information possible. You can't make it sound so. What if for the year daughter, man?
Yo, listen to me, man. I grow my daughter, them good enough.
And everybody have that, they look them at youth. So listen, my man. You hear me? It's all right. You want me? Me will deal with it.
Yeah, just do what you want.
It's all right. Me we deal with it. Don't worry yourself.
No, but I run up a blood pressure.
No, man, me we deal with it, man. Come I really like how you sound still, you know, sound too. You can't, everybody life, you know, equal and, you know, everybody are the same, you know, boss, man. You have to just treat every case the same way.
Well,
I like how you sound. Me we deal with it. No, worry yourself. Me we deal with it. Me we deal with it. Yo! What go on there? Barnett? Eh? Me never can work, man, but me a call you, me not get you because me a call you straight and me not get you. A WhatsApp me a fair use a call you, what happen?
Oh, you know, see, I choose up for me, I want to spend man where $1,200 that's you're not. But what one, you know?
But there, man, you know, so it's a thing me a follow up on still, and for real, more talk to you about something. See, one of my friends said she come make a report, and she can't reach now. The woman up on the road almost mad. So, about one little missing girl, you know. So now you, eh?
What missing girl?
The missing girl named Susie Guthrie, her mother named Marlene. Yeah, so what go on with it then? What happened? Why we don't know. Me come back and I can't reach nowhere. And now you there deal with it.
Alright, so you want one?
Eh.
We suffer for the case, man. We actually find the girl, you know.
Yeah.
But she don't want club dance go, man.
Do what?
But to be honest, they want club dance go.
Oh, okay.
But to be honest, we don't know if she 100% still, because the way she looks, she don't look like she in her full sense still. But she's an adult, so we just have to just let the case as is.
But you should have said something to you, madam, man. The woman there, the woman there distraught, man, eh?
We should have said something, madam.
Yeah.
And that's case I deal with, man, and you know,
No, man, you know we work, Bridget, man. Say something to you, madam. Woman up on the road almost mad, you know. So me have to get her news now what go on, because you know the about. And your colleagues then come like say the man doing business with nothing at all. The man have a trouble in the world.
You know, that man is scary. So you want to?
Yeah.
Just such place to the man that you know her personally, and just make her know say you are her daughter. Still alive.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. All right, me will deal with it, man. All right, my boss. Yeah, big up yourself. Cool. Simple as that, man. Jesus Christ, man. They make police work look hard. Marlene.
Hello?
What go on? Come in, man. I'm in, man. Ah. But good, man. If we put in for me, but I'm not really stay long, you know. But boy, I may have good news and I may have bad news, you know. I give you good news. Good news is that she's alive.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. My daughter not dead. Thank God.
Yep.
Thank you, Father God, for everything. I wish part you there. Want to find her?
Yeah, that's the bad news now. I wish she there. Your daughter. She there at club, you know. A dance
Club?
go. Yep. Your good daughter. They are club a dance go. Get her name. Let me investigate me and then call her.
What's your name?
Then call her next.
Next.
You figure it out.
What do you mean? Like next flick?
You figure it out.
Officer, I'm not sure say my daughter you're talking about. Because my daughter head part no good known tall. She could never dip on stage. Her name next. Next.
Listen to me.
Netflix, you want to say. Look here, officer, I know my daughter that.
All right, fine. Anyway, she reached at the age where there's nothing the police can do. See? The most we can do for you, at least me I do for you, is follow you down there. And if I see her up on stage, it's up to you. There's nothing I can do. If you want to haul her off a stage and embarrass her, if you don't go back up there, that's fine. But at the end of the day, there's nothing we can do because she reached the age which she legal to do as she want. There's nothing we can do because I work, she work. You understand what I mean? So you have to go decide what you want to do. Ball in your court.
Okay.
Zane?
Yes.
So what you have planned to do?
All right, now you going to carry me down there?
Entirely ready, man. Just forward.
Yeah.
Me assist you in the sense of carrying, but me can't do nothing when I reach there. All right?
Okay.
So, I don't know where you want to know. Urgency.
If you want to carry me down there now, but I go change my clothes and then me go up. But...
Well, figure out what you do still. I just wait in the vehicle and then I give you a couple minutes. Anything you want, if you want change, if you want wear, it's up to you. All right? But I help you out. So I'm in the vehicle. All right?
So I pick up a man.
Yeah, man, no problem. Myself 4 o'clock if I
4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Alright.
So just call me in case anything, let me know when you come.
Just make sure you answer your phone, you know.
Me go answer, man. Me not that. Me go answer.
Alright.
Me the right to say, Alright.
I like that little piece a while ago, you know.
Why, Romy? I don't know where you get to your new girl, you know. For your carry, go do her here and carry her back. It's like a different girl, you know. I don't know where you get her, you know. But me, I tell you, say, not even KFC line no so long to wait for him. I lie. Brother, I next thing call her.
So you say money and boom, money and make?
Yeah, man, that's why I'm going to show you, say, yo, you dead paid there now, man.
I lie, so I'm good there now.
You're good there now, man.
But sorry about that again, you know, man. But as me say,
yeah, man, you're good there now, man.
Just make sure you say you fix the box then, bro.
Oi,
Alright, for nothing, man, I say I can get 2 more, you know. So you know, so then I can extra money I can make.
Yeah, man, if I can get 2 more girls, man, that's a good money.
I mean, man, get a little things here, man. Alright, hold on, man.
Susie, I go your dance. So I don't lie the people them a tell. You're there club. Watch ya, look on you. Turn around. Look how you dress. What is? What them in your turn around. And this you in there do. I see your low gay, low life. And this where the whole and penny for? So you in there for collect money. And look on the type of money. Nice, young, pretty girl like you. When me send to school and suffer so much. And this you come out to, so you waste all of my time, all of my labor, and my money in a real life to wash people dirty clothes. Your plan, this is one of your subject.
So, then, mother, that take him off our stage.
I don't know. No, see, mother, she look like her.
Come on, fight stage. Come on. Wait. My job. Turn up. I don't see you. Come on, fight stage. Where they go? Stand up.
Yeah, hold on, Mr.
Romy, go deal with it, man. Go deal with it.
Yeah, man, Mr. One.
Stand up, sir. Where they doing this, sir? Susie, so after you stress me out, you don't love your mother? Where they doing a go-go place? You don't get this trip. Naked and they collect money. So you sell out the whole of your little piece of front now. And make people have my name all over the place. They can't. Susie, you know what you make them call me?
Mommy, I know me. I know.
See, girl, they were mad. And that woman, the daughter mad. Everywhere me turn, them a say that lady there, a fear daughter, Mrs. She mad out for road, they a dump. You're the all over the place, so check me.
Mommy, I know me.
Who?
I policeman, mommy, I sell me.
So this a kind of life you choose? Them a dirty lifestyle, yeah?
How are you going there, sir?
You officer. Me no understand. I want where you come here, suffer? Me no call you, Now me find me daughter, me no want have nothing to do with you. And this a same officer me ask about you,
Listen to me, I'm big old girl.
I me tell about you, me ask him about you, me go down there at the police station and me talk to him about you, This a policeman that tell me how we come find you,
Lady, I'm big old girl.
Officer, if you don't want me take off my clothes out here and get on my rank.
How are the lady? Mine, man. A big old girl like them.
So, hold on there. Are you have something to do with my daughter? Where you come and hold on? Where the hold on pan her for?
Listen.
Why you come and hold on? No hold on pan, no way part for my daughter. No.
I work here there, man.
What you mean work?
Listen to me, a contract she there, you know. And her contract not up it. Come on, girl.
No.
Yo.
No.
Hey,
oi. Yo. Me stay in the bus and me hear everything. Are you all along a dirty police, bro? You know kind of behavior that? You're police. And you there, me hear everything in the boss. You're pimp out the woman daughter. And that's the reason why you're reluctant for help the people and brethren. And all along are you? What kind of police you be, brethren?
Yo, listen to me, man.
What do you mean by listen to you?
Yeah, man, so it's a debt me have to play off.
You hear me? This a woman of my friend. And I help she. You out of work, you can't be police. And you do all them foolishness here. Instead of help, you need to help your damn self and I collect from the woman daughter, brethren.
Listen to me, she good, don't it?
What do you mean by she good? Boss man, you see this? Oi, listen to me. I tell you this, There is no more colleagues or friend. You see, when you go in, Zane, I tell you this, me personally, I'm going to make you lose your work. Because it's a no good, dirty, stinking police boy. You see me? Hey, you hear me? Take your daughter and go on. Anything you want, you do now in a brethren. I tell you that.
So I'm the money when me spend for do it here. What the money when me spend for
boss man, you're going like you're idiot. You know, so what, you come like saying I understand the trouble with you now. Me personally, I'm going to make you lose your work. Is that look?
You can't shut in my box.
No, man, you put yourself in a problem. But you hear me, man? You hear me? Yo, Galang, go on about your business. Go on about your business. And me personally, I'm going to make you lose your work.
Yeah, this is not done yet, you know.
What do you mean not done yet? You're going to lose your work, I'm sure of that. Watch him bombard. Yo, and come in the daughter. And a blood clean police boys. Yo, hey, you can't come back a station in the youth. Me personally, remember me tell you that. Mark that. He's a wicked. in your soup, see boy. Yeah, man. I'm gonna tell you, say, man, I'm not let go this up.
What's going on here?
Eh? Yo, take down your foot, man. Soup there. Take down your foot, man, and the soup come.
This way.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna tell you, you know. Say, man, come for you. I'm gonna tell you, say, nah, ease up. I'm gonna tell you, say, me, I'm gonna make you personally lose your road. I'm gonna tell you that last night. Come, hold on, give me a gun.
What you did was very unprofessional. This is not how you represent the police force.
Miss Black, what we do?
You don't know what you did.
Miss Black, the girl is a big girl, you know, big old girl.
Hey, hold it right there.
Bossman,
hold it right there.
Give me a gun.
You're given an instruction. Please to comply. Where is your firearm?
Miss Black, what I'm telling you, you can't call left me on.
We don't want to embarrass you, you know. You are a police. We don't want to embarrass you, so please to hand over your firearm.
Tell him so. Look here. You want to do the hard way? You want the embarrassment to go down on the handcuff?
You know, say a long time you like me.
I think we're talking too much with you now.
Listen to me. Give me a firearm, boss.
Miss Black, really, Miss Black? Look,
I don't want to embarrass you, sir.
Listen
please
to
me.
Miss Black, all this amount of service I do for the force.
That is how we deal with officers that do not comply. I'm going to approach you and I'm going to take that firearm from you. Are you willing to comply?
Listen to me. You want to go down in a handcuff. Let me chat to you if you don't want to hear. How you prefer? Look here, man. Just comply in the boss, man. Me don't want to bring you down in a handcuff because you're police like myself. But you do wrong. So I get opportunity for just walk down boss without the handcuff and the embarrassment. You to
Miss Black.
Come down here there. What's up, man?
This is not behave.
Yo, tell us something I'm going to get to you.
Where's that shit is? Yeah, man. I don't know what you can do with her. You can't go and do what you want to do with her, is it?
That's so right, Alton. You can do what you want to do with her.
Me backside, Alton. Hold on there, Gigi. Wait, he's friggin' sitting jump though. I don't think he's holy. No, sir. Wait there, Gigi. Please, me, I beg you, help me find my daughter, sir.
No problem.
I don't feel like I can waste police time, you know. Man.
Hey. Detective man, hey.
Why make Alton laugh? Alton, why make you laugh? Eat again.
Ready.
Wait, no, Kechi. Come now. Alton, go now. Yeah, because I don't remember his name, so you better just walk on. And I said, see him the other one there.
Hello. Come here, I'm here. You all right?
Yeah.
I have no anger on you.
Ready?
Walk up.
Ready? Come here. You all right?
Yeah.
8:30.
Yes. You want to touch you for 2
All right, now, well, taking care. Go get your